Now, your first warned weather forecast from Chief Meteorologist Candice King.
Well, things are quiet out there this evening. We take a live look with our SkyTrack camera, our Javon Bay Hospital camera here in the northeast end of Rockford. We had some sunshine out there earlier today. Nice treat as it brought our temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s, but the cloud cover is starting to work back in. The evening going to stay dry, so no issues out there tonight. In fact, our cloud cover just on the increase. Our temperatures are dropping though because we've got the clear sky now that the sun is set, but those numbers will climb as we look through the overnight and then into tomorrow. Next area of low pressure moving down to the southwest. This again will pass throughout the day tomorrow, and it does have a little more of a warm component to it. So let's break this down here on Futurecast and kind of look at what we can expect as we go throughout the night tonight and through the day tomorrow. So temperatures tonight are dropping through the 20s. The snow moves in after midnight. We'll start to see the beginning stages of that by about 1-2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Some of the snow could be heavy. In fact, we could have some heavier bursts of snow that'll take us through the sunrise time tomorrow and through the morning commute. So might be some issues there as far as the drive goes tomorrow morning with the snow coming down, visibility reduced, and then some slick conditions. So just kind of keep that in mind tomorrow morning because I do think we'll see some impacts. But watch what happens as we go throughout the morning. Our temperatures are warming. In fact, I think around sunrise, we're going to see those numbers sit right around 30 degrees. The warming trend continues through mid-morning, and this is where it gets a little tricky with that rain-snow line. That rain-snow line comes back in. Right now it may settle just along Interstate 88, but it is possible that it gets a little further north of that. If it does, mid to late morning into early afternoon, our impacts go down a bit during that time as we see more of a mix. Maybe the intensity of that snow comes down a bit. Where it still is snow, I think, across southern Wisconsin and far northwest Illinois, so west of Freeport, you're looking at still some heavier bursts of snow. Maybe not quite as intense as what it will be during the early morning hours. This will take us through about mid-afternoon. So notice we're 1-2 o'clock tomorrow. We still do have some rain showers, and it may transition over to all rain for some along and south of Interstate 88. This is also something to kind of watch too throughout the day because the more rain we have, the less it takes away from the snow totals. Now the impacts will still be there Friday evening, and we'll see that because as we get to the 4 o'clock hour, watch what happens. That low pressure system tightens up to the south of us. Winds will start to pick up behind that, and then that colder air. So the dynamics of this system strengthen as we go through Friday evening. Temperatures are still in the low 30s, so any snow that transitions back over still will be kind of a heavier and wet snow. You might not get a lot of blowing and drifting, but our wind is going to pick up. So whatever snow comes down tomorrow evening is going to blow, and that is going to reduce the visibility. So evening commute, late afternoon, evening drives, they can become fairly difficult and actually get a little more difficult the further we get into the evening. As the temperature drops, the snow becomes a little more fluffy, and so with the wind it blows around a lot, and that'll carry over into Friday night and then into early Saturday. We continue with the winds as we head throughout the time frame going into Saturday morning before winding down just a bit Friday after our Saturday afternoon. So a couple inches of snow possible late tonight, early tomorrow. The snow will become all snow, I should say, late afternoon into the evening. It will be heavy at times. Our winds will increase 40 to 45 miles per hour. So there are going to be some impacts with that. I think generally about 5 to 9, maybe up to 10 inches of snow will be possible through tonight and all throughout the day tomorrow. So it's not all coming in tonight. It's not all coming in all tomorrow morning. On those higher end spectrums, that'll be where it stays all snow and where we see more intense snow. I think it's probably closer to a 5 to 8 inch range. But remember, the impacts with this are going to be greater than the snow totals. So we've got a lot of wind and then the cold coming in behind that. Wind chills already down below zero, staying below zero from Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.